Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Docker Desktop for running Spark containers, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Docker website at docker.com. Locate the download section for Docker Desktop. Choose the version of Docker Desktop that corresponds with your operating system. For Windows users, ensure that your system supports WSL2. If you're on Mac, check that your operating system version is compatible. Click on the download button to initiate the download. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. For Windows, double-click the installer to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. For Mac users, open the downloaded file and drag the Docker icon into your Applications folder. After the installation is complete, launch Docker Desktop from your Applications or Start menu. During the initial launch, Docker may prompt you to sign in or create an account. You can choose to skip this step if you prefer. Once Docker Desktop is running, you'll see the Docker Whale icon in your system tray or menu bar. Next, ensure that Docker is configured to use the correct resources. Open Docker Desktop settings from the icon in your system tray or menu bar. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Resources tab. Adjust the CPU, memory, and disk image size according to your needs for running Spark containers. After making changes, click Apply and Restart to save your settings. Now, let's install Docker Compose, which is useful for managing multi-container applications. Open a terminal or command prompt window. Run the command to check if Docker Compose is already installed. If it is not installed, refer to the Docker documentation for installation instructions. Once Docker Compose is set up, it's time to pull a Spark container image. Open your terminal and run the command to pull the latest Spark image from Docker Hub. This process may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. After the image is downloaded, you can run a Spark container. Use the Docker run command to start the Spark container with your desired configurations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.